You've been told your whole life that if you don't sleep 8 hours, you'll be tired, unfocused, unproductive. But here's the strange part. In Japan, millions of people sleep less than that and still wake up sharp, alert, and ready to work. No coffee, no energy drinks, no morning hacks. So what do they know that you don't? Because the truth is, more sleep doesn't always mean better sleep. What actually matters is how you sleep, how deep it is, how consistent it is, and how you prepare your brain before your head hits the pillow. Most people destroy their sleep without realizing it, with late-night scrolling, irregular bedtimes, and a nervous system that never shuts off. The Japanese approach is different. They don't chase long sleep, they chase efficient sleep. And once you understand this, you'll stop waking up groggy, stop needing caffeine just to feel human, and start waking up feeling clear, even in fewer hours. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never think about sleep the same way again. The discovery, insight, excitement, transformation. Here's something that might surprise you. In Japan, the goal isn't long sleep. The goal is high-quality alertness. Japanese culture doesn't worship sleep the way the West does. Instead, it respects rhythm. Your body isn't a machine that just needs more hours. It's a biological clock that needs consistency. Principle 1. Fixed wake time beats fixed bedtime. In the US, people say, "I'll go to bed earlier tonight." In Japan, the mindset is different. "I wake up at the same time, no matter what, even after a bad night, even after working late, even on weekends." Why? Because your body clock doesn't reset based on when you fall asleep. It resets based on when you wake up. When you wake up at random times, your brain never learns when to release alertness hormones, like cortisol, the good kind that wakes you up naturally. So you feel groggy, you crave caffeine, and you feel behind all day. But when your wake time is locked in, something interesting happens. Your body starts preparing for wake-up before the alarm even goes off. You begin waking up naturally. Your mind feels clearer, and suddenly you need less sleep to feel good. Not because you're forcing it, but because your body is finally synchronized. That's the first shift. Principle 2. Morning light is non-negotiable. This is where most Americans quietly sabotage their mornings without realizing it. They wake up and immediately grab their phone. Dark room, blue light, artificial glow. In Japan, mornings begin with real light. Natural light hits the eyes within minutes of waking up. And this matters more than you think. Sunlight is the strongest signal to your brain that says the day has started. Release energy. It shuts down melatonin, boosts dopamine, and anchors your circadian rhythm. Even 5 to 10 minutes of outdoor light can do this. No coffee required. This is why people who wake up early but never see sunlight still feel exhausted. Their brain thinks it's still nighttime. Japanese routines prioritize light before stimulation. Not scrolling, not emails, not stress. Light first, then movement. Principle 3. Micro movement, not motivation. Here's another myth we believe in the US. You need motivation to wake up energized. You don't. You need movement. In Japan, mornings often include gentle physical activation, not intense workouts. Stretching, walking, simple body movement. Why gentle? Because your nervous system is sensitive right after waking up. Aggressive stimulation creates stress. Gentle movement creates alertness. It increases circulation, gets oxygen to the brain, and smoothly shifts your body from sleep mode into action mode. That's why forcing yourself to power through mornings feels terrible. You're shocking your system instead of guiding it. Principle 4. Strategic napping without guilt. This part might surprise you. Japan doesn't shame naps. There's even a concept called enemuri, resting while still being present. Short naps, 10 to 20 minutes. Never sleep. These aren't signs of laziness. They're energy management. Instead of forcing productivity through exhaustion, energy is restored in small, intentional doses. That's what allows people to sleep slightly less at night without feeling destroyed. Compare that to the US mindset. Push harder, drink more coffee, crash later. One system preserves energy, the other burns it. Principle 5. Calm evenings create sharp mornings. Here's a hard truth. You can't wake up sharp if your nights are chaotic. Japanese evenings are calmer by design. Lower lights, less stimulation, predictable routines. Not because it's boring, but because the brain needs signals that say it's safe to slow down. In the US, Nights are loud. Screens, notifications, stress, endless content. Then we expect deep sleep and a fresh morning. It doesn't work like that. When evenings are calm, sleep becomes deeper, even if it's shorter. And deeper sleep is what actually restores you. The shift: empowerment, fear, hope. Now comes the moment of truth. You have two choices. You can keep chasing more sleep, more coffee, more hacks, and keep waking up tired, wondering what's wrong with you. Or you can change the system. Not overnight, not perfectly, but intentionally. Picture this instead. You wake up at the same time every day. Your body already feels ready. You step into light. You move gently. Your mind feels clear, not rushed. No panic, no fog, no dependency on caffeine just to function. That's not a fantasy. That's biology finally working with you instead of against you. And here's the exciting part. Once your rhythm locks in, you'll realize you don't need as much sleep as you thought. Not because you're depriving yourself, but because you're finally getting real rest. The Japanese way isn't about sleeping less to be tough. It's about waking up sharp because your body knows exactly what time it is. And once you experience that feeling, there's no going back. So if you want to wake up sharper, think clearer, and live with more control, hit subscribe. Because the more you understand how your mind and body really work, the less effort life starts to take. I'll see you in the next one.